Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable a Chrome extension on certain web pages. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Chrome extension and they launched a new update, and the update is affecting how you access other websites. How do you make it so that Chrome extension only accesses certain websites? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on this puzzle icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then go ahead and find the extension which you want to go ahead and set limitations to. So if you click on the three dots on this one right here, then click on Manage Extension. So this happened to me in particular where this extension had an update and it was accessing my YouTube. So what you can do is that you could actually toggle automatically allow access on the following sites. So toggle this off, and then go ahead and toggle which sites you want this extension to actually work on. So again, for me, my example was that they released a new update and it was affecting my YouTube Studio. So I toggled this off so that that extension no longer works on YouTube. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off your extension on certain websites on Chrome. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.